Hey guys, welcome back to the video. So today we are going to unlock, install custom recovery and root our OnePlus 6. So for that you need to download these three files, the minimal ADB and fastboot, and the recovery image and the recovery installer, and lastly the magisk.zip file. I have provided all the links down below in the description box, so do check out that. So once you download all these files, don't forget to put all these files into a single folder. You'll be able to easily access it. Now the first step is to install the minimal ADB and fastboot folder so that the device will be properly connected to the computer. For that, just extract it and install the .exe file inside the folder. And if you don't know how to install these type of drivers in your computer, I have already made a dedicated video in my channel. You can get that video in the I button above. So once the .exe file is installed, don't forget to restart your computer. So this is where the place that we open the CMD and install the custom recovery and unlock the bootloader of the OnePlus 6. Now what you need to do is to copy the image file to the minimal ADB and fastboot folder. So once everything is set, go to your phone and you need to disable all the screen lock options like the swipe, face unlock, fingerprint scanner. Once it's done, go to the about phone section, tap the build terminal 5 to 7 times and the developer options will be unlocked. As you can see in the system options, the developer options are showing. In the developer options, you need to firstly enable the OEM unlocking option. After that, enable the advanced reboot options, and after that you need to enable the USB debugging. If you get any prompt on your screen, you need to allow it to properly connect it to the computer. If you doesn't allow the prompt, the phone will remain unauthorized. So don't forget this step. So once everything is done, go to the minimal ADB and fastboot folder, type in CMD in the search menu to open the command prompt. So once it's opened, you need to carefully type in these commands. Type in ADB space devices and hit enter. Now as you can see, there will be a prompt on your phone screen. You need to allow it in order to properly connect the phone to your computer. So once it shows like this, list of devices attached and the device serial number, you need to type in this command ADB space reboot space bootloader and hit enter. Now the phone will boot into the fastboot mode. Now you need to check whether the phone is properly connected in fastboot mode. Now type in fastboot devices in order to check whether the phone is properly connected or not. As you guys can see, the device is properly connected. Now you need to type this command fastboot space OEM space unlock. Now you will get a prompt on your screen whether to unlock or not to unlock. You need to use the volume keys for navigating, and you need to use the power key to select that option. You need to select the unlock option. Once you choose the unlock option, the phone will get wiped and will be factory set. Once your phone boots up, set it up and copy these files to the smartphone, the TWRP installer file and the magisk.zip file. And now you need to re-enable the USB debugging just like before. You need to re-enable the developer options and you need to re-enable the USB debugging option. And if any prompt is asked on the screen, you need to allow it. So again, type in the command ADB space devices in order to check whether the device is properly connected or not. Now as you guys can see, the device is connected. So again, we need to boot to the fastboot mode. So type in this command ADB space reboot space bootloader. Now the phone will be booted into the fastboot mode. In the fastboot mode, we are going to flash the custom recovery. So type in fastboot devices in order to check whether the device is connected or not. Now type in this command carefully. Fastboot space boot space copy the name of the image file in the minimal ADB and fastboot folder. Just press Ctrl C and paste it here. Right click and paste it here and put finally .img and hit enter. Now the phone will be booted into the temporary recovery image of the TWRP. You need to install the TWRP installer, and again reboot to the recovery and again install the magisk.zip, and now you can reboot into the system menu. Okay guys, now we have successfully unlocked the bootloader, installed the custom recovery and installed the root in our ONEPLUS 6. If you have any doubts, comment it down below and don't forget to share and subscribe.